Have you ever seen these things? They're the little flosser things. You put your dental floss through here and it helps you get your floss through your teeth. Well, today on Tech Tip Tuesdays, I'm going to show you how to use these to restring your rotors. Typically what happens is you take your lighter and you light up the end of this and give yourself a needle point. But even dealing with that, it's really difficult sometimes to get it to go through the hole. So if you take your little guy right here and just swing your string through it, you can go ahead and leave yourself a fairly good amount so it doesn't pull through. Now you can just stick that through and just pull it through. Now you're ready to use all this slack. Tie off your knot and string your rotors. Any place you can find dental floss, you can find these as well. Run down and grab a pack of these. I've been using the exact same one for, I don't know, a year, and it hasn't broke on me yet. So I don't know. I think one of these packs for just a couple bucks is going to be a lifetime supply for me. If you want more tech tips like this, subscribe to the channel. We drop a new video every Tuesday. We'll see you next week.